or mindsets or philosophies or theories that that can carry over. Let's go. Alright, yep, that's definitely punishable. He knows that already. Oh, gets the overhead. DP. Alright, close to stun here. Stomp. No overhead. Oh. Alright, overhead. Throw. Alright, he's got those meaties. Oh, I like that. Didn't get the last hit though. Didn't get the cancel, but I like the effort. Take throw. He is checking with that crouching medium kick right now. Oh no! Push and flip right into it. Throw him back into the corner. EXDP, just do it. Throwing them gang signs out. Uh-oh, that's dead. Oh no, he messed the input up for the DP. Hey. Oh, try to go for the cross up, gets crouch jab for it. What a weird anti-air. Reversal. Oh, jumping a little bit too much. Causes him to lose that first game. Game 1 going to 40% flash kick. Alright. Saw some good stuff there from Nightingale, but Fun D's really strong on the side of 40% flash kick there. Are we getting a character select or are we going back into it? Okay. This music down just a little bit. Ooh, there we go. Knockdown. Close to stun. Oh, he backs off though. He's losing his momentum. Okay. Still checking him. Oh no. He keeps getting those jab confirms, but not able to cancel into his combo, into his special. Just do it. Oh, wake up. There he goes. He got it that time. I see what he was doing. Bigger damage. That's a good tool. Alright, this is game point for 40% flash kick here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, the overhead. Oh, the super right back at him. I like the no fear. I'm not saying it's a good habit, but I like the no fear. Sometimes you just gotta do it. Well, he's probably fishing for possibly a jump in or something like that. I'll be learning a new character soon. Uh-oh. No! Oh, man, there it is. Nightingale just not able to hold back on those jumps. Really important in these situations. Took me a long time to figure this out.